Okay.
I can't see her in my list.
Aves is struggling to add someone.
Roxanne, are you there? Please say hi.
Yeah, please say hi.
And
yeah, then he'll send her the request, no? Maybe.
no, I don't know if he can send it.
I think only he can send.
कैसे करते हैं? कहाँ है? क्या है? मेरे को कोई आ ही नहीं रहा है.
लेडी रॉक्स पॉप देखो पलोमी ने लिखा है, बट पलोमी.
लेडी रॉक्स पॉप.
Who's watching? I can see everyone. Hi guys, what is up?
Lady rocks pop.
अवेश जिस तरह से हमें ऐड किया ना, उस तरह से तुम जैद को ऐड करो और लेडी रॉक्स पॉप. That's Roxanne. So add her.
मैंने तो लाइव रूम का वो प्लस बटन दबाया था, उसमें मेरे को लिस्ट में आ गया था. हाँ, तो तुम लोग का नहीं आ रहा है.
अभी प्लस बटन नहीं दबा रहे हो?
अरे प्लस बटन दबाने के बाद नहीं आ रहा है.
जैद ऐड जैद.
हाँ जैद आया. जैद आ गया.
तो
कोई कॉल कर लो ना. अरे
हाय सभी. हाय.
समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है.
हाय
Everybody, Snowy, say hi to everybody. Why are you going here and there? Say hi.
Hello.
अरे जैकेट तो कहीं देखा सा लग रहा है. ये तो नीचे से उठाया हुआ है. नहीं ये नहीं है, नगमा का.
क्या बोलता है नीचे से उठाया हुआ है?
ये नगमा का है. नहीं नगमा ने जो पहना.
ये
ओ मुझे लगा ये नगमा का कैसे हो सकता है. ये तो टी शर्ट है.
नहीं.
टीमी. यार आप तीन लोग बहुत क्यूट है. हम तीन नहीं, हम 4 है टोटल. आप कौन टीम की बात कर रहे हो? अरे कहाँ है यार लेडी. She's sending a request.
The best and the beautiful people. Thank you so much. By the way,
Khan Sultan, hello from India.
Khan Sultan, the vlogger from Dubai. I know him.
I think we should play.
So what is up, guys? कितना अजीब लग रहा है हम सब, कितना अलग लग रहा है फिलहाल.
सिर्फ मैं और एक बस साथ में.
लेकिन हमें बहुत मजा आ रही है. हम लोग मिस कर रहे हैं सबको.
स्पेलिंग बताना. लेडी
रॉक्स.
मिल गया.
फाइनली
जैद भाई आप ज्यादा क्यूट हो. थैंक यू यार.
झूठ. ये कमेंट झूठ है. खुद से पढ़ रहा है.
खुद से बोल.
देखो इधर लिखा है नगमा इज द बेस्ट.
नहीं सीरियसली दिस है.
Oh my god.
I'm so bad with this.
क्या सस्पेंस था. I was like, oh my god, will I get added? Will I not get added?
अरे भाई ये लाइट बहुत ज्यादा है. थोड़ा लाइट. अरे ये कृष्णा को पता नहीं है ऐसी टाइप के ना लाइट्स पसंद है उसको ना. I love you. नवीन I love you too. नवीन उसका इंटेंसिटी कम कर.
Hey everyone, this is so cool. I'm so happy.
Very
I was the amount of FOMO that I was getting as a side me to be like, please add me. But I'm happy sure. This is amazing. Always, according to me, you look great. Okay, so like I know that I know lighting and all.
Looking good, but just the brightness is like too much. Krishna,
too much.
छोड़ दे. लेटा दे. अरे भाई नहीं उसको. So Aves, can you call my name? अच्छा, I'll call your name from Aves only. Anshulika Jain.
Hi Pooja Raj.
We called your name. Hello, lovely voice वाले भैया Zaid Darbar. Thank you so much. My voice is nice.
I think अभी थोड़ा better.
Really appreciate it. Guys, आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे नीचे सब लिख रहे हैं my voice and I'm cute and everything. Please don't avoid that.
जैद को निकाल तो लगता है।
I have a question. When you guys go live, right? Is there like almost like which person's fans will take over the comments the most?
Yeah,
Does that
we-
happen? Like, does that happen? I would totally track that.
We've done it once where we made like teams, team red,
Yeah.
team blue, and all. So we actually kept competition amongst all our fans, and उसमें सबने बहुत ज़्यादा comment किया था. Team नगमा, Team Zed, Team
हाँ.
Aves, Team Anushka करके.
But that was
बहुत
won?
मजा आया था.
मैं first आया था. I was
No.
I came first.
पीछे
पीछे
से
से. पीछे से I came first ना.
मैं जीत रही थी, फिर अवेज ने मुझे टेक ओवर कर लिया.
हाँ, but मैं first आया था पीछे से. I came first.
Dude,
Yeah.
this is so. I can't describe how excited I am. I've been waiting for this. You guys know how much I love you and I love your content. And today is Creator Day India, and I think like literally, I don't know how many people look up to, you know, the four of you, right? And I think what you guys have done and the content that you guys make. So I'm super ridiculously excited to speak to all of you today. And thank you so much for joining. This has been full day's highlight for me. Okay, so first of all, before I get into anything, मेरा एक सवाल है. I think the word atrangs, right? Like if there was a penny for how many times I would have heard it, I would have bought a duple in Juhu by now. But where did the word atrangs come from? Kisne, like, who's the genius who cracked it? Kaise aaya? How did you guys build this? Like, I want to know everything.
It feels like school में ऐसे teacher लोग question पूछते तो हाथ ऊपर रख के I want to say it, I want to say it, I want to say it.
करना पड़ेगा.
I want to say it, I want to say
All
it.
four of us are so talkative that we actually have to
Yeah.
fight कि कौन बात
Yeah.
करेगा.
I think I'll
अभी मैं
give
बेट आउट
this
के मैं देख रहा हूँ कि everyone's excited.
I think I'll give this to Nagma. You want to say this?
Okay, so I remember we had this thing. First of all, I'll just say कि हम लोग का ये जो ग्रुप थिंग है ना, वो काफी टाइम से था. ओके, एंड देन पहले एक नाम था जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं था. वी वर एक्चुअली ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग फॉर अ न्यू नेम. तो दिस वाज गोइंग ऑन फॉर अ मंथ एंड यू लाइक कुछ अलग चाहिए. हमें कुछ देसी भी नाम चाहिए था. सो वी डिडंट वांट कि एकदम कुछ ऐसा क्लासी कुछ हो. हमें चाहिए था देसी हो, ताकि हम लोग थोड़े देसी भी हैं. तो हम लोग ट्राई करके
Yeah,
कुछ
it's
डिफरेंट
relatable
हो.
and it's cool.
So yeah, so once we all were sitting, everyone, like I guess 10-15 of us, like all the
Yeah.
boys from Atrangs and everyone, we were sitting. Even Sumed, Mir
Sumed
from
was
No Fitter,
there.
they were there.
Yeah.
So Sumed actually told कि कुछ अलग नाम रखते हैं. तो somebody said हाँ कुछ अतरंगी नाम रखते हैं. So
Oh,
Atrangi,
love.
we were like, oh, why not
Oh.
use this word and just tweak it a little and kind of make
And
it
make it
ours.
hip hop. Yeah.
Yeah, because atrangs, like atrangi, atrangs, थोड़ा ऐसा Gen Z वाला factor हमने डाल दिया.
End
C
में
डाल
ऐसे
के.
Z add हो गया.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
हाँ,
did you put
Z
a
कर
Z?
दिया.
Z was that?
उसमें Z था नहीं तो हम लोगों ने Z को डाल दिया.
Z,
Z
yeah,
था
that was Z. So actually, Atrangs has all our alphabets by
All
the way.
our alphabet, and trust me, even G wasn't there in my life that time. But I don't know how G
Oh.
is also there in the
Great.
end. So it's G and Z.
Love it.
Basically, ऊपर से नाम
Yes.
आया ऊपर से.
ऊपर से नाम आया था, ऊपर से ऐसा था.
ये
Destiny
सब
vibes
planned था,
बन
सब
गए
कुछ planned था.
It was destiny.
Everything
Yeah.
is planned in some way. But
Yeah.
I love this so much. I think for anybody watching, right, because this was one of my questions, how did it come about? And now I know. Very, very exciting. I think like life की सबसे cool चीजें just happen like this, which is
It happens
amazing.
like this. Trust me. Yeah.
But I think your journey, right? And I'll come to. I think it's no secret as to how much I love the content that you guys make, and the content that you guys make, it looks as if it looks super effortless, right? कि मतलब it looks beautifully shot, and मतलब ऐसे देख के ऐसे वो मक्खन vibe आती है, like for the lack of a better word, right? It's like makhan, right? So, but I know that it's difficult to make, and I know the thinking that goes behind it, right? I also love that, for example, if you guys have a dance video, I love कि आप लोग हमेशा उसमें एक फैशन का एलिमेंट डालते हो, और there's a gorgeous transition that happens in the end, right?
True.
Or there is when you guys do comedy and you guys mix comedy with dance, for example. So I think it's so different and it sets you guys apart. So tell me a little bit about कि ये होता कैसे है, right? How do you guys go about it? Like, drop some secrets for me, please, for everybody watching. I would love to know.
Zed.
Go, Zed, you can go. And then maybe
I can go. Okay, so I'll just talk about not the previous one. Today only I did this. So, of course, nobody is allowed like that to shoot in a grocery store, a supermarket. So but I planned everything. के ऐसे the choreography was set, the trend which was वो जो अभी trend है ना, बता देना कि तो देना कि. So I planned that, but when I left and I was searching for the place, I'm just talking about myself right now. So how I planned today's day. I went out. मैंने दो चार जगह पे I went to Society Store. I don't want to take the name, sorry. So
no,
I went
go
to
ahead. This is all about
And-
name dropping. Go ahead.
Yeah, so they said no. They were strict and they said no, it's not allowed. So I was just thinking
Life of a
अब क्या करूँ? हाँ, और suddenly I remembered a friend of mine who owns a grocery store or the supermarket. I called him up. I went there and I told him कि please मुझे सिर्फ आधा घंटा, can you give me? I want to shoot something. So I prepared the dance before. It's not that I went there first and then I danced on the song. I prepared what is supposed to be shot once you reach the grocery store or the supermarket. So we always plan before and then we shoot. And then it comes out like this.
Cool video,
This
huh?
is very cool. Very, very cool. You know, I love what you're saying right now, Zed, because when you watch the reel, right? For me, like when I
Yeah.
watch it, like ऐसे full wow feels आता है, but the
Yeah.
effort that goes into it, right? I think Aave is like, you're super thoughtful about the content that you make as well. And even when we talk, I can literally see you breaking the content down, right, in your head.
Yeah.
कि हाँ, अब transition डालेंगे, अभी उसको ऐसे shoot करेंगे, right? And I know you start thinking like that. So I think Aves, Nagma, Anam, tell us again, like, how does this magic happen, right? What are the little tips and tricks that you guys use?
हाथ नहीं उठाया किसने ऊपर?
Aves बोल रहा है, I guess. Aves, let
हाँ,
Aves say.
yeah.
कुछ बोला ही
Aves
नहीं
is
उसने.
super thoughtful, like mood. कितना reveal करूँ, कितना like, you know, how much.
नहीं
like,
मतलब no, not that.
We don't
Nothing
think
like
too
that.
much. We just
Yeah.
we just
No,
enjoy. We just go with the flow.
No, actually,
No,
we
but
think.
there's a format which
We
I
think-
kind
we
of
think-
started
We
following.
think, obviously we do, but
Yeah.
we enjoy. And then
Yeah.
Of course, we
So,
enjoy.
See, I guess since the day we have started making content, we've always seen कि कोई चीज अगर trend होती है, we never thought कि हमें ये करना है. We always think कि इसको हम अलग कैसे करें. This is the first
कैसे
thought
अलग,
we
correct.
get whenever we see a trend which
I love
is,
it.
you know, going. So we sit down and we are like, इसको अगर इसमें हम लोग ये फनी है अगर तो इसको हम लोग सैड या कुछ और ही बना दे. अगर ये रोमांटिक है इसको कॉमेडी बना दे हम लोग तो कैसा लगेगा?
मतलब
Because
एक twist add करना उसमें.
और हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं ऐसी चीजें डालने जो रिलेटेबल हो टू द ऑडियंस एंड दैट इज हाउ आई फील ऑडियंस कनेक्टेड विद अस इन द स्टार्ट. बिकॉज हम लोग खुद की लाइफ में जो भी होता था ना, कुछ भी हो जाता था, जैसे चलते चलते भी हिट आर द लिटिल टो ऑन द कॉर्नर ऑफ द बेड, यू नो, होता है ना, एंड देन पूरी सोल निकल जाती है हमारी बाहर. तब
Oh
ऐसा
my
वो जो
God.
दर्द होता है, दैट वाज द
Last
हार्ट ब्रेक,
week one,
राइट?
yes, feel
So,
this.
so those things when you mix up with a romantic, sad song, you know, that is how you create content and make it relatable. और I guess हमारा process ऐसी होता है.
Yeah.
I love that you're saying this, and I think it brings me to my next question. So, you guys, I love the consistency. Like, I don't think you guys have ever missed a day of posting, right? And I think that requires वो अलग level की planning होती है. Aves, you
Sometimes.
make up for it, right? Like, I think Aves just has to. I think yeah, it's fine. Like, so what is the most favorite? Like, if you guys had one favorite reel that you guys have made, I have one which Aves has made. My colleague Shweta and I are obsessed over it. Always, it's that one that you made in Mahabaleshwar where you're the same one that you posted a couple days
The
back,
horse one.
where like you're running and the transition with the ghoda happening. I'm telling you, आधे views
अरे
वो
घोड़ा
reel
है।
पे मेरे और श्वेता के हैं because we're obsessed with it. So that is my favorite reel like ever. But if you guys had a favorite reel that you guys have made, which one is it? Where like around the room?
Mine would be the emoji makeup challenge where I created
Love
4 makeup looks. That took me like 2 to 3 days to create, like non-stop, almost non-stop. I was just sleeping.
Crazy.
So that is one of my favorites.
Mine are
Crazy.
really
Anam, what about you?
I really don't know which one.
Can I tell you which one? There's one that you did of yourself in a green lehenga, I think during Eid, if I'm not mistaken. There's a
Oh,
transition
yeah,
in
yeah,
the
the
end
transition
where the rest
one.
of the
Yeah,
gang
yeah.
comes in. I am obsessed with that one. So when I'm sad, I go watch that. But that's
Oh, that's
So
nice.
Avis,
yeah.
what about you?
I actually
Avis is
don't
a
have.
thoughtful
I
mood
have
today.
lot of favorites. मतलब ऐसा कुछ एक नहीं है. I really like to create content, and for me, creating content is basically, it makes me happy. If I create something new today, and if it's better tomorrow, that makes me happy. So ऐसे favorite में अगर बोलूँगा तो फिर मेरे बाकी के videos नाराज हो जाएंगे. तो
अरे full ऐसे
उसके
full God, like such a sweet
मुझे
answer.
सब
I love creating.
सब पसंद है।
Zed,
तो
what about
मुझे
you?
ऐसा कोई favorite है नहीं.
What
Should
about
I
me?
ask you which reel with G is your favorite? Like, because I'm guessing that has to be one of those. Is my sense.
I don't know. I can't select, and I mean, I can't say because I can't say one
मुश्किल है
particular
बहुत है.
reel.
मेरे को भी लगता है बहुत मुश्किल है choose करना.
It's not. I mean, it's not. I can't say
I think
it's
it's
easy.
because you guys put in so much effort. I think in all of them.
I guess
Can I ask? Can I
Avis
ask you
का
guys
बहुत है।
like a slightly spicy question? And Avis, I want fun answers. I don't want like, oh, मेरे सारे reels प्यारे हैं, okay?
Okay.
Which, if you guys, who is your favorite person out of the 4 to collaborate
Oh
with?
my god.
Arey, of
And you
course,
have to
me.
pick one, okay? You can't say like, oh, I love all of them. You have to pick one. And Zed, you can't pick
Me.
yourself, okay? So you have to pick like one of the other 3. So
So
yeah.
if I have to choose, so
Yeah.
then it will be
Nagma,
it will be
because
Nagma
people,
only.
yeah, Nagma only, because people are crazy about
No, not
Navi.
because of people, because it we think alike. So
Alike.
and वो बहुत easy हो जाता है और काफी creative होने लग जाते हैं. And you feel nice when someone's at the same
Yeah.
pace with you. So yeah, वो
That's correct.
साथ में हम लोग ज्यादा better बना सकते हैं videos. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कौन favorite है और क्या है. Because
सब
for me, जब हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ में बनाते हैं favorite नहीं है.
क्या बोले
Nagma,
Nagma?
what every
Playing
time is
safe,
different.
please,
जैसे
playing
कभी
safe.
कभार नगमा के साथ भी बोरिंग है, कभी कभार तो उसके साथ भी बोरिंग है, कभी कभार सबके साथ बोरिंग है. बट देयर आर टाइम्स वेयर कभी अनम के साथ में बहुत मजा आया. जैसे अनम और मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था, उसमें हम लोग कितना टाइम पास किया था. अनम याद है वो वाला जहाँ पे वो सिगरेट वाला बनाया था, जहाँ पे तेरे को वो करना था और फिर एक बार वो तेरे गले में मैंने ताला बांधा था और फिर वो सब किए थे. देखो बाथरूम की सिंक में हाथ डालना पड़ा था,
Fun videos.
तेरे
Yeah.
हाथ पे थोड़ा थोड़ा
What
कुछ लग भी
video
गया
is
था.
this?
एकदम प्यारी
This
सी
is
चीजें
South
लगी थी तेरे
See,
हाथ पे.
that was not fun. That was disgusting. Okay, please. He makes
Yeah.
me do.
So that was good fun for me.
We went
Zed
to
के
that
साथ
too.
में
So yeah.
पुलिस
Zed
वाला
के साथ में been a while, but when we used to make na, it used to be very creative because Zed is very good with framing. He's super good with framing. तो ऐसा हर एक इंसान के साथ ना हर टाइम बहुत अलग वाइब होती है. हर एक इंसान के साथ में बहुत ही डिफरेंट वाइब है. So choosing के लिए तो अब ऐसा choosing कुछ नहीं है, but yeah, अभी
Mostly
majorly
you
I
do
create
it with
Nagma. So yeah.
So okay, so for now it's Nagma and different moments with different people.
Now
Okay,
Zed has got someone else, so he is busy half the time. And Anam
But
is busy
the question is only 4 of
Only
us.
4 of us.
only 4. It has to
Only
be
4,
amongst-
correct.
Yeah, only amongst you 4. So Anam, Nagma, what about you guys? Give me spicy answers.
Nagma will go
yeah,
next.
Like,
I would like to know who's your favorite Nagma?
I
दिखती बात है मैं ही होगा ना, क्या बात कर रही इतना सोचने का
हाँ, of course.
इतना
okay,
सोचने
so
वाली बात
I'll
क्या
be
है?
honest. I started my short video making journey. Like मैं पहले solo videos बनाती थी, and then I met Aves and we started making videos together. From the start, I'm
Yeah.
talking about 2016. So
We made a
I
lot of
guess
videos.
we have been so consistent and we know so much about each other that हमें पता है कि ये वाला इस पे नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, ये वाला इस पे अच्छा लगेगा, this that. तो बहुत easy हो जाता है as Aves said. तो मुझे Aves के साथ बहुत अच्छा होता है कंटेंट बनाने में, बट फालतू कंटेंट बनाने में मुझे अनम और जैद में मजा आता है।
फालतू
टाइम
I
पास
mean
वाला
the
कंटेंट तो
fun
मुझे
ones.
फालतू मतलब हाँ, like
हाँ,
unpredictable
Nagma
ones.
used the
Like
wrong
me and-
word, but
me and
yeah.
Nagma, we had
मतलब फालतू ऐसे मतलब ऐसा crazy
No,
content,
You
like,
use the wrong
totally
word.
get it.
वो सुनने में बहुत ऑफ लगता है, but she
हाँ,
meant के fun
oh,
videos
it's
जो
crazy,
होते हैं
crazy content.
टेक्निकल नहीं,
But it makes
मजे वाले
so much-
कंटेंट उन लोग दोनों के साथ.
I might just open up like the choices for the adorable Papo in the frame as well. You guys can choose. him
I
as
love
well
it.
if you
I
want.
love it when me and Nagma we try and make some romantic videos together, and the crowd goes like, "अबे तेरी भाभी है, अबे तू पागल हो गया है, अबे तेरे पास तो गौहर है कुछ." But they're amazing, यार.
Yeah.
What
मजा
I
आता है बट
absolutely-
कंटेंट में
हाँ, I love
I
it. I
think-
love it.
I think that's the coolest thing also that showcases I think comes through in your content, right? The fact that you guys have a blast together. Like we can
It
see
is-
that you guys have
Actually,
so much
you
fun.
know when I see all those comments, I feel the audience, the fans, they are so loyal to everybody कि किसी को किधर भी जाने वो लोग ही नहीं देते कि आप इधर नहीं जा सकते, ये आपका है, ये आपका है.
I love it. I agree. I think after the reels that you guys make, one of the coolest things ever is reading the comments on your reels, right? Like, you know, all the love that sort of happens. I think that's amazing. Okay. I have two last questions for you. I think two last. And yeah, they're all nice ones, okay? They're not
Now you
Okay.
can ask more, it's okay.
Yeah,
sweet, Avis.
Ask.
Okay.
we are prepared for
What is-
today.
You guys have come prepped. Okay, amazing. Okay, so I know that shooting content for all of you, right? I know how much goes into it, and I can see ki you guys think of it like that, right? Like, you know, you guys literally think of it in shots and you know how you guys will do stuff, right? So for anybody watching, what's your top tip while shooting content? And it could be anything. It could be thumbnail lagao, it could be whatever, close crop, whatever it is, right? But what's that one
I
tip
have a
that you
list.
think is very important?
ये इसमें तो बहुत
लिस्ट
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड
भी
है
चलेगी
क्योंकि
लिस्ट भी चलेगी
इसमें टू बी ऑनेस्ट इसके अंदर ना कोई एक चीज नहीं होती इन अ वीडियो ना देयर इज ऑलवेज
List of
ऑलवेज
things,
लॉट
huh?
ऑफ थिंग्स हैपनिंग देयर इज अ स्टार्ट
Yeah.
अगर आपका स्टार्ट वीक है तो आपका वीडियो आगे कैरी ऑन नहीं होगा फिर ऑफ कोर्स
Watch
थ्रू
time is
बीच में
important,
आपको
that
एक
means.
अलग से वाव फैक्टर उठाना पड़ता है जहाँ पे लोग बोलते हैं अब तो मेरे को पूरा ही देखना है एंड देन वो
Climax.
कंटिन्यू करते टिल द एंड और क्लाइमैक्स में आते ही दे गो लाइक जो पहले दिखा था वो अचानक से कुछ और ही निकला so there are these things if these kind of videos happen na so there is no way anyone can you know scroll your video you need to work on your beginning middle and end ये है और ये सबके साथ में which is the most important thing is thumbnail because your thumbnail says
Attracts.
everything about what your video is all about so
Love it.
एक वीडियो के अंदर लोग सोचते होंगे ना कि हाँ एक वीडियो बनाना है सो सिंपल पर या इट डिपेंड्स व्हाट यू आर मेकिंग if you're just you know doing a simple version of lip syncing so it's easy you know you're not that easy also it depends on what kind of audio you're choosing अगर वो expressive होगा बहुत तो वो difficult है like if you're choosing a very difficult actor to you know express those kind of lip syncing then तो it's very difficult और उसमें भी बहुत ज्यादा टाइम जाता है बट इट डिपेंड्स यू नो एवरी टाइम यू गिव योर ऑडियंस समथिंग न्यू दे विल बी हैप्पी सो कंटेंट में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कुछ भी ऐसा है ही नहीं एवरी टाइम यू डू समथिंग देयर हैज टू बी लाइक
Effort.
होता ना एफर्ट एंड दे कैन फील दैट थिंग एंड when they see the video they go like अब मुझे भी ऐसा कुछ करना है.
हाँ,
वो वीडियो
correct.
देख के जब इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है, that is what makes you they are your idol, or it can be anything, your favorite. मतलब जैसे वो जो भी ले हमें, या तो हमको
Love it.
मेरे for me making content is that वीडियो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए.
I love it.
And
It's amazing.
according to me, I've got this question many times. People, like new creators, they ask me, how do I start? Like, what should I make? Right? They don't know what to make. They don't know they should make comedy or they should do X, Y, Z, whatever. So I always tell them that do what you are comfortable in. First of all, do what makes you happy, because if you are not happy in your video, that energy will not reach the audience. This is what I
Of
feel.
course.
They
Couldn't
should
agree more.
experiment in the first few days and they should see कि अच्छा मेरे ये वाले वीडियो पे 30% ज़्यादा views and likes आए, then this is what I need to focus more on, and then they need to create a niche market in the start. I feel creating a niche market is very important in the start, and then going all out. After you have created your own market, then you experiment with different crazy things, and so इसी में they need to work in the
Yeah, you
quality
get
of the
known
video.
for something special and
Yeah.
different, right?
Yeah,
That
I
is-
have seen that. You know what? I've seen that in the past year. I've seen many budding creators. They have that niche thing which made them famous. So
Yeah,
after
they have
that,
a unique mark.
they have become versatile. But they started off with one single thing. So I think
Correct.
that the new creators should stick to that. They should improve the quality of their video, the lighting, the
Try different
Yeah.
things. What it's
So
Yeah.
basically, even in Atrangs, what we do here in Atrangs also, how Atrangs is what, see the name Atrangs is, yeah, of course we do Atrangi things, but actually, four of us, what all we have learned past these years, we actually teach each and every one. जितना भी हम लोग, अभी मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा बोल देता हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब लिख रहे हैं कि थोड़ा हिंदी में भी
Please,
बोल दो.
please.
हाँ,
For sure.
तो मैं ये हम मतलब बताना चाहता हूँ कि इवन इन अतरंग हम सब मिलके हर चीज टीचिंग पार्ट जो होता है ना, वी ऑलवेज कीप द टीचिंग पार्ट फर्स्ट, के वो बोलते हैं ना कि नॉलेज बांटो. तो इन अतरंग ये सबसे पहले एक प्रायोरिटी बेस पे आता है कि, और जनरली ये अंदर से ही आता है कि वी ऑल give them knowledge, whatever we've learned, so we give it to them कि हाँ ये जैसे what all they said कि lighting बराबर रखो, ये करो वो करो. तो even in Athens whenever
That's the
people they come here, हाँ तो हम लोग यहाँ से भी जितना knowledge होता है ना ऐसे बांटते रहते हैं. So
You know,
yeah, this
this
was
actually-
आपस में पहले चालू करते हैं.
This is,
हाँ भाई.
I wish, like, I don't know, I hope people watching this are like taking notes on the side, because this is like literally crash
We
course.
are always open. Atrang, all four of us are always open to give knowledge. Whatever we've
Yeah.
learned till date, we can
Because, yeah.
always open.
Because when we started, there was nobody, like we didn't have many people to look up to and learn. We actually
Yeah.
had to learn it in the hardest way
So
possible.
I'll be very
But-
honest. I don't want to.
Yeah.
Sorry, Nagma, I'm going to cut you, but I'm going to talk good only about you. So when I came in social media, I had no knowledge about it. Trust me, I had zero clue of social media. So first one was Nagma only who I saw. No, sorry, first was Aved. Second was Nagma because Nagma was not introduced to me till that time. So Avesh told me that see Nagma started this way and then I started with Nagma like that, and then you should also follow this way. So we still had, like me and Anam, we still had somebody who थोड़ा बहुत they know कि हाँ चलो ये करना है. But हाँ उसके बाद तो सबकी जर्नी थी, क्या कैसे करना है, इसको कितना बड़ा करना है, ये करना है वो करना है. But हाँ, I would say thank you in front of the entire live के
Same here,
Nagma and Avesh.
Thank you.
For
Thank you,
actually
Avesh.
getting
Me
us
too,
here.
guys.
We all are together, but yeah, they started. I can give
But-
the entire credit to both of them because
True.
they actually pushed us.
These
Till
guys-
date, they push
these
us,
guys pushed
saying
us.
के
Yeah.
yeah, they always do. They push Anam, we push Anam now.
Yeah,
Anam
Lord.
pushes us. कभी हम धक्का भी देते हैं.
Look at all of us getting all emotional on the line. I love this so much.
And I am an emotional person, तो इसलिए मैंने ये line मार दी आज थोड़ा सा.
But that's true. But
Thank
that's
you,
true.
Zaid.
Yeah.
Thank you so
But that
much
is
for
true.
your
But
kind
what
words.
is true, I had to say today.
You know, this actually, I couldn't have like sort of made a more a better sort of a question that to close this live, and this is my last question. But I've seen how passionate you four are about Atrangs, and you know, I think what Atrang stands for is literally whatever you guys have learned, right, by trial or
Yeah.
error or your journey, right? You want to share that with as many people as possible around the world, right? And I think for years, Aviz and I have also, whenever we've spoken, I've heard how passionate he is about teaching as many people about dance and content creation, and you
Yeah.
know that entire you know universe as much as possible. So Atrang's ki future plans kya hai? What is besides world domination? Because I know that you guys
Acha,
do
you
not
start, then
stop
I-
till
then
world domination. But like, what is the future? What have you guys planned? Scene kya hai? Like, before I go.
अब दुनिया हिला दे हम.
School, academy, school.
नहीं अरे
Yes.
yeah, I think we should not say that one.
Aviz is not
But I
telling
feel-
us only. This is okay. Go ahead.
मतलब हमारा एक चीज तो पक्का है कि we've got a lot from audience. मतलब हमारा जो भी आज हम जो है वो सब ऑडियंस से मिला है हमको. तो we wanna give it back, but in such a way where you know we select through an hashtag where we are gonna keep a challenge or something like that. और उसमें जो winners हो गए, we will get them on board and we will help them to become creators. So अब जिनको बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं है लाइफ में क्या कौन सी राह लेना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, they have no idea. So these guys keep coming in, you know, asking us अब क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, and we feel very bad कि these guys are, you know, supporting us since when, कब से जो आज जो भी है हम लोग जो भी है सिर्फ इन लोगों की वजह से ही है. तो हमारे पीछे ना हमारे हमेशा एक चीज रही है कि we wanna give it back someday. कभी ना कभी कैसे ना कैसे करके वो देना ही है. So we have this small plan. Actually, well, not a small plan. It's a
Nothing
small
about
plan. I was
Atrang
just-
ever
it's
small.
a
I was
huge
just gonna say,
process,
Okay.
which is gonna happen very soon. So
Yeah.
we are just, you know, working on it. और जब वो हो जाएगा ना तब आपको properly बता पाएंगे, क्योंकि अभी बताएंगे ना तो you will be lost, क्योंकि properly
We'll
समझ
do
नहीं
one more.
पाओगे.
We'll do one more live to announce it.
Yeah,
when,
it
when,
is a
when
complete
this is
different life for it.
amazing.
Many things are planned. Many things. So
This is just one thing. Many things are gonna happen.
Matlab, this was the major part for others, like
Yeah.
Like I
To
said,
help
guys,
others.
world domination is like I look at you guys and I think of world domination. But
India
I
का
just
नाम
want to
ऊंचा
say,
करेंगे हम.
I want to say thank you so much. I think for anybody watching, a creator who's starting out or someone who's been here for some time, I think listening to all of you is always inspiring. I know I always get inspired when I speak to you guys. I feel like, what am I? My God, like I think the amount that you guys do in a day is just crazy. I think continue to inspire people the way that you always have, and I am so happy to speak to all of you today. Thank you for having me, and just keep crushing it, you guys. Okay, keep crushing it.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you.
See you
See you
soon.
Question
soon.
over हो गया, इतना जल्दी खत्म हो
Khatam,
गया.
it's बहुत easy था.
खत्म हो गया.
We'll do this live session again someday.
एक काम करते हैं हम लोग
Can we
WhatsApp
ask
call पे आते हैं,
you
ज्यादा
some
बात करना है तो.
questions?
Of course, you can ask me questions. Avi.
Acha, what kind of videos do you like to create if you get a chance?
I watch videos. I watch videos and
If
oh,
you get a
wow.
chance.
Oh, okay.
If you get a chance.
One,
So what kind of
one
videos you
more
like to
question
watch?
I have, Aviz.
अच्छा,
One more
चलो ये
question.
पूछ लेते
Who
हैं.
is your
हाँ.
favorite amongst all four? Who is your
Yeah.
favorite?
Oh my God, this is really tough.
Go on, you have to tell us.
Okay, so I'll see. I asked you guys spicy questions, so I'll give spicy answers. Okay. It's a tie between Nagma and Anam. I am obsessed with both. I think they're
Girl power,
amazing.
girl power, girl
Yeah,
power.
it's
Girl
full
power,
girl
yeah.
Like
Woman. That may be your woman.
Thank you,
Girl
love you.
power, girl power.
so for me,
Love
you
you,
guys,
love you.
like for sure.
Thank you so much.
See you
Thank
guys
you.
soon. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you soon.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Bye.
you so much. Thank you.
Bye everybody. अरे अपन नहीं ना बचे क्या?
अरे इन लोग चले गए।
अरे सब इन लोग चले गए।
चलो इन लोग जाने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को बोलना चाहता हूँ
हाँ
कि
हम लोग इन लोग से भी बात कर लेते हैं।
इतना लाइव आते नहीं है। आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट। मैं चाहता हूँ